Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 73 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This is the daily devotional called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young. It's absolutely amazing. Like, it is just such a special devotional. It really is. It could have not come in a better time in my life. I mean, truly, it has been a godsend. So if you've missed any of the previous episodes, I do have a playlist in the description box if you'd like to check those out. And I guess that's it. So let's jump in. Oh, it's a little chilly out here today, actually. Okay, so number 73. Let me give you all the verses. These are some really good verses. We've had excellent verses the last couple of days. Very, very good verses. Okay. Learn to live above your circumstances. Man, that is so very hard to do. Learn to live above your circumstances. This requires focused time on me, the one who overcame the world. Trouble and distress are woven into the very fabric of this perishing world. Only my life in you can empower you to face this endless flow of problems with good cheer. As you sit quietly in my presence, I shine peace into your troubled mind and heart. Little by little, you are freed from earthly shackles and lifted up above your circumstances. You gain my perspective on your life, enabling you to distinguish between what is important and what is not. Rest in my presence, receiving joy that no one can take away from you. My goodness. That is so good. Only my life in you can empower you to face this endless flow of problems with good cheer. A couple of devotions back, I made a comment, it has nothing to do with us. It has everything to do with God. It's not what about we can do or how we can change our situation or our circumstances. It has nothing to do with our ability. It has everything to do with the power that God puts in you. God's ability. You don't have to do anything except trust Him. That's it. Trust God with your life. Trust God with your children. Trust God in every situation. Try to see things from His perspective. Ask God to help you see things from His perspective. And I promise you, you will very quickly figure out what is worth worrying about and what is simply nonsense. Man, this is so good. As you sit quietly in my presence, I shine peace into your troubled mind and heart. Little by little, you are freed. Man. Rest in my presence, receiving joy that no one can take from you. I'm not going to sit here and lie to y'all and act like I'm just on top of the world and I'm just so full of joy and I just am so happy. And the last couple of months have really worked on me. The things that have happened to me are terrible. But regardless, I still feel God's love. And I know that He's right here with me. There's a peace that surpasses all understanding. And when you have it, you know it. Man, this is a good one. All right, let's do the verses. Did I just literally smear my lipstick? I did. Oh my goodness. It's okay. All right. We're gonna act like that didn't happen. Okay. These things I have spoken to you, that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have tribulation, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world. John 16:33. Why are you in despair, O my soul? And why have you become troubled within me? Hope in God, for I shall again praise Him for the help of His presence. Psalms 42:5. Man. So with you, now is your time of grief. But I will see you again, and you will rejoice, and no one will take away your joy. Life's hard. It's not all rainbows and unicorns. It's not. Whether you have God by your side or not. We live in a fallen world. Life's hard. Things happen. Trust me. I know. But when you have God in your heart and heaven on your mind, you can see above your circumstances. Isn't that the end goal? Heaven? Look towards that and the joy that you will have in heaven that no one can take from you. Man, this was a good one. All right, guys, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely does help my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.